Lazada. First of all, I pray to God if that is the leading of the Lord that I'm going to take that, because I have taken lots of yung mga supplementary, no? So this time, at saka yun, during that time which I took some of the supplementary, it doesn't work in me dahil uso ang scam na yon. So I really go to God. Sabi ko, Lord, dahil mayroon akong dalawang kasama na nagsabi sa akin, oh, we will go there. Sabi ko, ay hindi na, because I'm still taking lots of supplementary. But there was a time na it really came into my mind that I have to take that. So, sabi ko, Lord, if it is your will for me to take that Fit Solution, send somebody na very persistent for me to take this. Good enough, ito dito sa masyadong sabi niya, sige na tita, we will go. So, because I asked a sign, I know that is that is a message from the Lord, so I'll take. So, I came here. Sumasakit ang ulo ko, at saka nakapant ako, yun, humihingal. Then my high in uric acid every night when I lay down na ang tiyan ko, parang may gera sa loob ng ng tiyan niya, like that. Then my feet was not swollen anymore. The lower part of my, yung mga toes ko doon, nag-black and blue before I took this Fit Solution. So after taking it, nawala lahat. Nawala yung mga sakit. When it happened, pa lang yan, mag 2 weeks pa lang ako na inom yun, Fit Solution. And there was something that it really differs from the time when I took it. The time which I did not take it. So after taking it, na-strengthen ang ang immune system ko. It gives me strength, energy, because we are taking its energy, may energy solution doon. So I really feel na there is something that changes. As I'm giving this testimony, when the wife of Noel told me, tita, pwede daw ka testimony. Sabi ko, Lord, will I have to do this? Of course, because I will not tell a lie. Diba? I will not tell those people na, oh, you drink this because no. I am saying this because of what had happened to me. And everything because of my faith to God and also faith to this solution. So, lahat nakikita ko within 2 weeks. So I give glory to God because He brought me here for this. Because, this, everything that we are taking, yung mga juice, mga vitamins ninyo dito, those are just vessel. Because God used the doctor as a vessel. And so with all those things. But the healing is coming from God. Because Jesus is the only one who can heal us. So, ang faith ko dahil sa Panginoon, fast ang healing sa akin. So, that's why I am saying this testimony, giving glory to God, thanking Him, and also to share to others so they will also have faith in God that this is given by the Lord. Those who did not try this, ang una is you pray to God. Pray to God, so the Lord will be the one to bring them here. Because kahit pa if they will take this, wala din silang faith. Dahil wala silang faith sa Panginoon, walang mangyari, di ba? Because everything we that take, may faith tayo na this will help heal me, di ba? Dahil itong dahil ako, whatever I do, I pray and God hears my prayer. So yun ang ko na you have to pray. Seek God first. Para all these things na gustong ni Lord to heal every part of your body. Because if God will heal you, it's not only a part of your body. He heals everything, every part of your body. If you honor God, that He is the healer.